train is here, hear the chugging far and near. On the tracks it moves with grace, taking us from place to place. Trains, trains, hear them go, through the rain and through the snow. With a chug and with a cheer, trains bring happiness and cheer. Across the fields and through the town, trains go rolling never down. With a puff of steam so bright, trains make every journey light. Trains, trains, hear them go, through the rain and through the snow. With a chug and with a cheer, trains bring happiness and cheer. From the hills to the sea, trains bring friends and family. Every journey is a ride, filled with joy we sit inside. Trains, trains, hear them go, through the rain and through the snow. With a chug and with a cheer, trains bring happiness and cheer. So let's wave and let's pretend, on the train the fun won't end. With our dreams we ride along, trains will always sing their song.